Hey, what's up, guys? So this video is just gonna be something simple, nothing spectacular, no replacements, nothing. But I'm gonna be cleaning up this engine bay. I usually like using coverall, but all I got right now is Armor All, which is a multi-purpose cleaner. This Armor All is pretty much water-based. I like using coverall. That's the name of it. It's more oil-based, and I will be using some shop towels. So I'm gonna set y'all aside and let y'all just see. So we're gonna start with this side. Opening the shop towels. So this is how I'm gonna do it. So I'm just gonna use this. Get all the loose stirred up. And of course, this slid out. Slide it back into its place. So I'm just loosening any loose start. Of course, it's missing a grommet there. So that's how much start without even using cleaner yet. So now, use cleaner. Now you don't have to use the specific one I'm using, and this ain't sponsored or nothing. It's just products I have, so I can bring this engine bay back to life, well, look better. That's how much dirt. So I'm gonna do it one more time, and it's looking a lot better. So I'm gonna hit it one more time. Get another clean towel. So a little bit less dirt. So I'm gonna hit it again until it's like pretty much no dirt. I'm gonna use the back side since that's clean. It's even less compared to first. So this is like the third time, I believe. Wasn't keeping count. So that looks a whole lot better than the rest of this engine bay. So I ain't gonna talk more. I'm just gonna fast forward the video, but y'all gonna still see me clean. Alright, so this is how it looks so far. There's some stains in here, but not really sure what I could do with that. But it's a step up, an improvement than what it looked like when I first started. So now that we're done with this multi-purpose cleaner, I'm gonna see what kind of protectant I got in the house. So I'll be right back. Alright, so I don't got any more of my other one, of course, but found some cheap knockoff protectant. I'm gonna use it in this video because I do want to finish this, make it a little bit more presentable. I ain't a professional. I ain't doing this to like showroom or nothing like that. I'm just making this car decent, look better than what it did when it came. This on the other hand, or this one, yeah, I do the whole 9. But this is just to make the engine bay look better. So I'm gonna set y'all down and we're gonna proceed with this. And I'm using a clean detailing brush just to brush it. Make sure I get all the crevices and stuff like that. And then I'm gonna finish it off with a shop towel. From what I'm seeing, this looks water-based as well. They don't say from where, but it looks like it's water-based. Alright, so now I'm gonna finish it off with the shop towels. Alright, so this is the finished product with Armor All and then cheap protectant. For how long that's gonna last, I don't know. We'll see. Just by the use of it, it's like I can tell it's water based. If any of y'all know how I get these wherever stains is inside here, let me know. Definitely want to get those out. That way, on camera it looks really bad, but physically it's not as noticeable. And even this side. So, like I said, I ain't a professional. I just wanted to show y'all, and I told y'all in the previous video that I was gonna do an engine bay cleaning video. And then also interior. So this is the engine bay doing, looks a whole lot better. So that's it for this video. Like, comment, subscribe. I'll see you in the next one. Peace.